Hello friends, we have got expressing future time using pure models and also semi-models. And pure model today we are going to consider will, shall and would. All the three can be used. But today we will take up only will. Now will has the basic meaning future time. For example, we say she will get admission. She will get, and will is contracted to she. She will get admission soon. So that is future time. Future time expression. She will get admission soon. They will go on to win the match. That's a kind of prediction. So they will go on to future time and prediction. They will go on to win the match. That's prediction. So looking at the way they are playing, they will go on to win the match, no doubt. Listen. He will go on to do his best. So hard working. He will go on to, or he will do his best. He will do his best. So that is prediction. Understand it? By this time next year I will be the manager of this company. Predictive use. By this time next time, and next year, by this time next year, I will be the manager or MD of this company. So these are pure future time, and these are predictive use, predicting. Because you look at the surrounding circumstances and then you predict. So that when you find a very smart person, he will go on to become the principal of this college, a smart lecturer. Or he will become the principal of college. So that is prediction. Of course, there is a touch of futurity in it. Means future. Also it expresses, but there is slight difference in meaning. For example, I will get admission. So that is a future time. Next year I will go to somewhere where you cannot go anywhere now. So next year I will remain at home. So that is not a prediction, but it is a future time. But when you have circumstances like that, they are playing very well, so they will go on to win. Or a very hard-working person, he will, based on this, he will succeed in life. Or he will succeed in life. Find a very affectionate couple, they will set up a good family. Understand? That is. The next one is volition. Volition means expressing your will, what is in your mind, depending on the internal desire of the person, speaker. The internal volition depends on the internal desire of the speaker. So it's the first person. Speaker means it's always first person. He said, I will climb the hill. I will go to the festival. I will conduct the meeting. So that is internal desire. I will get a pass. I will get the first rank. I will, what will you do? I will work hard. I will cultivate my farmland. I will build a dam. Short form is I'll build a house. So that is volition or volition. That means will. Voluntas, Latin means will. That's your voluntary. When you are doing something voluntary means willingly you are doing. Not because of the compulsion of others. So voluntary, volition. Listen. So your will. And of course, the next use is inferred probability. We have seen such examples in other. So for example, must, have got to. And same thing you can express here also. Inferred probability. That is, the sky is cloudy, it will rain. That is inferred probability. The sky is cloudy. it will rain. It will rain. So that is inferred probability, you said. Understand? Cloud is. They are quarreling. They will perish. They are quarreling every day. They will perish. No doubt about that. Isn't it? They are quarreling. Those people are very hardworking. They will prosper. Those people are very hardworking. They will prosper. No doubt about it. He is sleeping always. He will be a lazy fellow. Understand? He will remain lazy. He is sleeping always. So he will remain lazy. He is working very hard. He will come out successful. So that is, you have got a data. Based on that data, you are making a, what is called a probability, inferring. You are reasoning. And your reasoning will tell you that this such and such thing will happen. Like, the sky is cloudy. See, they are quarreling. They are quarreling. They are fighting. Okay, that is. They are fighting always. Fighting always. They will perish. They will perish. See, they are fighting always. They will perish. The prodigal son has taken, the prodigal son has compelled his father to give his share. He will perish. And he has gone away, he will perish. So that is inferred probability. And next one is of course polite request. Will you please come, step into my house? Will you please step into my office? House or office? Will you please attend my marriage? Will you please allow me to go on leave? If you say, can you allow me to go on leave? That is very rude. So will you? Would is more polite. But now we are discussing will and therefore. Will you please help me? Will you please allow me to meet you tomorrow? Will you please lend me your books? Will you please give me some clothes? Will you please give me some biscuits to eat? I am very hungry. He will eat only biscuits. So he is asking, will you please give some biscuits to eat? I am very hungry. What about cake? No, I don't want cake. I just want only biscuits. His level is only up to the biscuit level. Understand? So like that. I think it's very clear, simple. Will, basic meaning is future time and prediction. Prediction, of course, you want some background. You know that when you look at the circumstances, you will see that they will go on to win the match. They are playing very well, so they will go on to win. That's a kind of prediction. Predictive use of will. Predictive. Right? But there is a difference between inferred probability and predictive use. Predictive use means it's almost sure. The other thing is it's a poor probability. Sometimes what happens is the sky is very cloudy. In seconds the sky will become clear. No rain. Not necessarily. Understand? But that's not the case with them. By next year, this time I will be the manager of this MDs. Almost a prediction. May or may not become true. So there is a slight difference. Of course, all this we will find they express future. There is some futurity in this. So some future aspect is there. Then you have got volition, means internal desire of the I will, determination. I will fail next year. Sorry, I will win next year. Understand? Then inferred possibility, probability we have seen. Sky is cloudy, they are quarreling, they will perish. They are hard working, so they will become successful. Things are possible, and polite. Will you please come? Will you please listen to me? Will you please stop talking? Will you please listen to me? Will you please bring all the notebooks to my department? So that is clear. Tomorrow we will learn exercise. Till then, bye. But remember this: use soap to wash and keep our hands free and fresh. The killer virus, you must kill it. The only way is keep your hands clean. And also wear a mask. I am not wearing a mask. Symbolically, at least I should have worn a mask. I am doing it. I am not doing it because I am teaching, and also I am keeping distance. Not only 1 meter, but 1.5 meters, 2 meters. You are sitting there, I am standing here. So that's no problem. And you are all wearing masks now. That's very good. If you want, I will also wear. You want me to do that? And I don't sneeze also. It's no problem. I think if you find that I should also wear, if you tell me, I will wear. No doubt about it. And then what I speak may not be very clear to you. These are the problems. Otherwise, definitely I would come with a mask. So wear a mask, then wash your hands with soap, so that you can kill the killer virus. To kill the killer virus, wash your hands with soap. And also sanitizer, if it is available. Okay. So shall we change this slogan? To kill the killer virus, wash your hands with soap. Shall we? Okay, then I will change it. So our slogan will be like this. We will reword it like this. To kill, that is stronger. To kill the killer virus, wash your hands with soap. That's better. To kill the killer virus, wash your hands with the soap. Washing, you must have seen on TV, no? Just wash like this, then scratch and wash, then do like this, then this way. I think that you are very familiar with this, but if you find that somebody is lethargically doing it, then that is not the way. You should go and tell them, don't do like this. That is equivalent to not washing. So you do like this. You have to scratch, then you have to and also use soap or any sanitizer or any disinfectant, soft disinfectant which will not hurt you or burn your skin. You can use. So you have to make it a practice. You have to make it a habit. Listen. So I hope that everybody is enjoying my classes and you like my grammar classes. This is a very good time for you. You have got plenty of time at home. So you use this for any academic purpose, but particularly I would say this is time for learning grammar, because it is like playing chess. You will not know how time passes. Do your own exercise. Write, generate sentences of your own, and then to see whether it is volition, whether it is inferred possibility, probability, or whether it is polite. And like that, then you can see on this 221. Each lesson is followed by and supported by a set of 15 sentences, an exercise which has a set of 15 sentences. And then that time also I am explaining this thing. So you just go through that and you can write, you can generate or You can have your own exercise made and then you can share it with your friends. But I said, don't waste your time anyhow. So turn this into a golden opportunity for learning grammar. So bye, have a nice time, enjoy your life, take care of your health.